Hi my lovely angels, welcome to my channel Kristi Beauty Blogs. I am Kristi and this is my first YouTube video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a pink rose gold eye makeup which is a beginner friendly. If you want to know then please keep watching. After filling my eyebrows, I'm adding little amount of foundation as a base around my eyes. Now I'm applying the Wet n Wild Mega Clear Brow Gel on my eyebrows to fix it in place. From the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, I'm taking the shade Raiso and applying it on my crease area using a fluffy brush. From the same palette, I'm taking this cocoa shade and applying it on my outer part of the eyelid. Using a packing brush, I'm packing this rose gold shade from the inner part of the eyelid to the center. And also packing the fling shade to the outer corner. To highlight my brow bone area, I am taking this moonlight shade from the same palette. Now I am applying the kajal to my upper waterline, which makes my lashes look more voluminous. Now I am creating a winged eyeliner. You can use any eyeliner as you wish. Here I am using Lakme eyeliner. Now I am adding a coat of mascara to my upper and lower lashes. To make this look more traditional, I kept a bindi. So here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. I request you all to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day, angels.